Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I was inspired by fall and this palette. This is the Juvia's Place, the Warrior 2 palette, and like look at that. Let's go ahead and get started and I'm going to zoom you guys in. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this shade called Zama. Picking that up with this Morphe M411 brush. So I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and pat this into my crease. So we're going to tap that color in and blend it out at the same time. Okay, so now that we've pat that color on, I'm going to take a brush just a little bit smaller and I'm going to pick up that same color Zama and I'm just going to brush this here into my crease in windshield wiper motions. So I'm going to intensify this orange just a bit more in my crease and get it ready for those browns I'm going to put over. And then I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush. This is a Morphe E27 brush. It's clean with no product on it, and blend this transition color. Going in with Jamata and on a Makeup Shack T87 brush. I'm going to pick that up and focus this color like in the my outer V. So like my outer corner. Like that. Then I'm going to go back into that brush I first used. This is the Morphe M441 brush. And pat these two colors together, so that orange and this burgundy color. So I want to intensify that burgundy brown just a little more. So I'm going to be going in with Kufuru, this brown right here, and I'm going to be picking up a Makeup Shack T82 brush. Picking up quite a bit and then applying that, tapping that color into my outer V. So as I tap, I'm gonna like blend at the same time. So I'm going to be taking in, so I'm going to be using this color. So I'm going to do like a half cut crease today, just a little bit, just so my eyes look a little more defined. So just going to start here. Okay, so I'm only going to take it halfway. I'm going to blend the outer edge, the outer corner, so that way it's not like a harsh line. That way it's not a harsh line of just concealer. So just gradually blend the concealer and the brown together. But either way, we're going to go back in with a little bit of brown and blend that into the concealer. So yeah, I blended the brown into the concealer, so that way it looks nice and there's a nice fade from the concealer to that brown. So in that inner corner, I'm going to be putting in this Zazz, this white color. I'm going to be picking up a Makeup Shack T49 brush. It's like a flat, fluffy brush. So it's good for packing on color. I did my eyeliner and I put my lashes on off camera. Now moving on to the face. So I'm going to be going in with the Hemp Facial Mist and spraying this all over my face. And then over top, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer. So I'm going to be going on top of that, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So for foundation for today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Up to 24 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and I'm in the color 445. And then I'm going to shake the bottle because this foundation is pretty liquidy, so just shaking that up really quick. And I'm going to do a oh wow, I'm almost out. About that much, and just dot it all over the face, and I'm just gonna start blending this all over my face. And the sponge I'm using is by the Makeup Shack. So for concealer, I'm going to be using these are the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer. I'm going to be using the colors 104 and 106. With that sponge, just blending out that concealer. So now that our under eye is blended out, I'm going to be going back in really quickly and blending out any creases that might have happened. And then with some translucent powder, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder, and this is in the color Vanilla. So just lightly start tapping under that under eye and setting that concealer. With my sponge again, just setting the rest of my face. I have like the same routine always, but I try to like switch up products here and there, so it's not always like the same thing, but I know it's the same thing. But yeah, so just setting my face with some translucent powder and my sponge. So I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics. This is just their Brilliance Bronzer. And this is in the color Golden Gal. I wish I would have gotten it a little bit darker, but it still works. I just have to really pack the color on. And why is there a hair on my brush? Okay. And just bronzing up the face. So I never do this, but for today I do. I'm going to be baking my contour and bronzer. So picking up a little bit of powder and really like getting in there. So for blush today, I'm going to use this Lorax blush. This is in the color Spectra, and I felt like going in with a pink on the cheeks. Putting this on my cheeks with the e.l.f. I don't know, some e.l.f. brush. I think they have numbers on them. This is e.l.f. 107 brush, so picking a little bit of that up and dusting it on my cheeks. I'm gonna finish off my under eye, so right there. Yeah, right there. Back with my palette. I'm gonna use that orange color we used as a transition shade on a brush and just really fluff it out and smoke it out. So I'm gonna now take off this base. Now to set my skin, I'm going to use this Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray. So for highlight, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome. This is in the color Molten Rose Gold. And using just a little bit. I'm going to go in too crazy. Just on like right here. Just right there. Like that. Some on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of my nose. Above our eyebrow, on our cupid's bow. And so now for our lips, so I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in the color Peekaboo Neutral. So now for my lips, I'm going to use L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is like part of the chocolate collection. And this is the color Sweet Tooth. So that concludes this makeup look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Bye.